Seen this way, the message is both mystical and practical. The inspiration of the Seder is not supposed to evaporate after Yom Tov. The Jew who drank 4 cups and spoke of redemption must eventually rise on an ordinary weekday and place 4 chambers of redemption upon his head. The Geula of the festival must become the discipline of daily life. Otherwise, redemption remains admired but not integrated. Perhaps that is the deepest beauty of Tefillin Shel Rosh. It teaches that the Exodus is not only a national memory and not only a historical miracle, it is a pattern for the redemption of thought itself. Every day a Jew can be taken out of his inner Egypt. Every day he can be rescued from subtler servitudes. Every day he can be redeemed into clearer awareness, and every day he can be taken again into covenant. So when we look at the 4 cups and then at the 4 compartments of the Tefillin Shel Rosh, we're seeing one inner language spoken in 2 different settings. On Pesach, the language is wine, praise, and proclamation. On weekday morning, the language is silence, binding, and crowned attention. But the secret is one secret. The divine name unfolds in 4 movements so that the Jew may become whole. Tonight and every weekday morning, the same message returns. Redemption is not only a story we tell, it is a consciousness we're meant to wear.